In the ever-evolving realm of digital marketing, are you breaking the bank on costly keyword research tools? Enter the game changer, Google Gemini AI, the future of keyword research and content planning. Revolutionize your keyword research with Google Gemini AI. Wave farewell to those high-priced tools. Gemini AI is the hero we've all been waiting for. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, Google Gemini AI scrutinizes search trends, competition, and user behavior to furnish you with the most pertinent keywords for your content. Gemini AI doesn't stop at discovering new keywords. It's also your co-pilot in devising a tactical content plan. A few clicks are all it takes to blueprint your entire content strategy for optimum impact. Why squander your hard-earned money on antiquated tools when you can harness the force of Google Gemini AI at zero cost? Elevate your keyword research game and bid adieu to your paid tools today. And that's a wrap. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more insider tips and tricks on digital marketing. Loop in with us again for more enlightenment.